A CD in and he complained that it wouldn't come out, and as soon as we had a look, as you can see, there's no internals in it.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's some.
But what we're gonna do is let's modify this, just cut it out a little bit, retrofit it, make it go in, because he's got a line about, or lane about one. So we pulled the original Sony head unit out. As you can see, it's basically fucking bog standard. It was kind of crap in the day, but anyway, he put a CD in and he complained that it wouldn't come out. And as soon as we had a look, as you can see, there's no internals in it for some reason. But yeah, so we've retrieved the CD, so we didn't even have to fight with it, did we, Dave? To get it out. So right, on with the cuts. We're gonna basically just cut this up and get this retrofit. We know it works, so what we're gonna do is test it now in the car. So we'll test all that now, and then we'll go from there. And hopefully, jobs are good, and I don't have to mess about with the wires too much. I've had to, because someone's done all this to the wiring. So what I've done the power leads for the time being, because I might have to come back out. So as you can see, heat shrink, should I say. So right, let's get this in. So right, get a bit of light in here. Is it quite dark?
Yeah, fair
About now.
That's way better.
Way better. Right. So block, that's what it originally come with on the unit. Nice. See all these are like your power, your speakers, and then all this is like dash. Or would be dash. So let's see if we can get this bloody thing working. That's been definitely out before, because look, it's sliding out, it's not clipped in. So it's definitely been out before. Let's see if the power's up, eh? You still got his key?
Yeah, it's I'll put it on the side, I'll grab it in a minute.
That's alright, it's just as long as you got it. Staying loud to the night, lost boys. Look at that. So, ladies and gentlemen, so every time that you need to put the USB in, you just gotta do this, alright? Right. Let's see what we got. See how tight of a fitment it is, can you?
Yeah.
Like really tight. So, right, what we're going to do with this, as you can see, I've put a score line in it. See that score line? So we're just going to cut all of that out.
What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
People, as you see, we've done all the cutting, so this is obviously the aftermath. fitting the stereo. So we've done all the wiring on it now. Dave is hunting other things down, passwords and stuff, so we can hook this up to YouTube. So as you can see, we are in. Now, I know you can buy these off the internet already done, but he had the head unit and it was going to be a waste just to throw the head unit out and yeah, basically throw the head unit out and fucking start from scratch, spend more money. So what we've done is retrofitted it. As you can see, there's little bits of gaps here, but it's in line, so it doesn't look too bad. Now we can fill this full of black silicone. All the video and everything's working on it, as you see. So we've got Lady Gaga. Yes, but we can't play that too long because YouTube, stop it. So anyway, it's all in, and the other thing that we fitted is one of these adapters. So we've just cut the hole in and hooked up with the USB on the back. But this is how you fit them anyway. They normally plug and play if you buy them off the internet. This is just a long ass way around saving this one. But yes, we are done. So what do you think, people? If you like, click subscribe. If not, don't, and go out the channel as you normally do. But anyway, for more content, just check us out. Click the icons above, and we've got other videos on the channel. And like I said, we'll keep you up to date with all the other stuff that we're doing here. And bye bye now.